Ciao.
Oh my god.
Never did it. And that's when the inspector came, and then she noticed that all of us, the 11 of us, were parking in our driveway. And as for the permit, that's the only argument. Another argument that they give is that our next door neighbor has asked for a permit to transform his garage in 2020. And they got the permit, and they were never told. And they got non-compliance notice too, but they were never told, oh, you're transforming the garage. So when they say they're enforcing, they have to enforce that bylaw. It's nonsense, especially you have hundreds of other houses who don't respect this bylaw.
Well, Martin, thank you so much for telling us our story, and keep us posted. I'm glad you made a stink out of it, and hopefully something good comes of it. Thank you.
Yes, we hope. Thank you very much.
And by something good, I hope it means nothing, is in they let it go, realizing how embarrassing this is to the city.
Dumb. So that leads us to our question for you. Has anything like this ever happened to you? A rule that just made no sense? Is this the most dumb, stupid thing you've ever heard? If it isn't, what is? Or what's the stupidest rule you ever heard of or broke? What rule would you like to impose? I have some ideas.
I love that he gets so worked up on this. Please don't call from Westmont saying, Westmont, they won't let me change a window. That doesn't count. 790-0800, 514-800 for your text when we come back. Good afternoon, it's 2:30. I'm Jason Mayoff for the CTV News Update. Here's what's making news right now. The city of Montreal is turning 3 streets in the St. Marie neighborhood into one-ways or changing their direction. They are Fulham, De Rouen, and Partenay in the area where a 7-year-old girl was struck and killed by a car in December. The Quebec government is forming an action group on the French language to find ways to stop the decline of the language in Quebec. And the language minister is asking Anglos to help promote French, but he made it clear today no one's going to force you to speak French at home. And Jay Leno is recovering from a motorcycle accident last week that left him with several broken bones. It happened just months after he suffered serious burns in a fire that broke out in his Los Angeles garage. With the latest from the CJAD 800 Traffic Center, here's Marty Lamar.
Thanks, Jason. The Friday afternoon drive home has started Met westbound pretty much from Lac Ordere right up to the Iberville area. Then we're losing time from Marché Central through Stinson, eastbound Met through Stinson. We're looking at some delays through Saint Laurent.